Oh, diba? Okay. Okay. Let's see what's up with our water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong meron? Oh, wag mong i-shuffle. Sabi na naman nung aking guide spirit. Wow, Page of Wands. Merong magte-take action kasi merong... Wow, okay. Meron ditong iyak ng iyak. Sobrang nasaktan. Sobrang... Oh my God. Parang hindi siya makamove on. Matagal na tong issue na to, water sign. This is you. Okay? Matagal na tong issue na to. Hindi ka makamove on. Nakapokus ka doon sa 3 cups na nakatumba. Okay? Ayan, no? Hirap na hirap ka. May times, okay. May times, okay, merong mga oras dito. Okay. Oh. Hugutin natin to. Maganda tong barahan na to. Okay? Mamaya ako sasabihin sa inyo kung ano to, ha? Ayan. So, possible kasi may nalaman ka ditong malaking. Anong malaking, madam? Malamang sikreto. Grabe ka. Okay, tignan na natin. Page of Wands and the Five of Cups. You know what? You have to, pumiti yung kaka. You have to take action now kasi masyado nang matagal yung pagkaka-stagnant mo dyan, Day. Okay, tama na ang pag-iyak, tama na yung sorrow. Okay, kasi kailangan mo nang mag-mature. You have to learn your lesson. Okay, with the Page of Wands, you have to take action of this. You have to be more braver and more strategical about this. You have to learn your lesson. You have to face the reality kasi sobra-sobra na tong suffering. Sobra na yung pag-iyak. Ang tagal na nito. Okay? Let's see. What could be the advice? Okay, tignan natin. Kung hindi advice, may ibubuga pa tong bara. Possible na yung pinakapunto ng pangyayari kung bakit ka nagkakaganito. Okay, kasi parang this is about feelings. Okay, parang meron kang pinagkatiwalaan, minahal ng todo-todo, na iniwan ka lang sa ere. Something like that. Okay? Ang ano you're a divine, ha? Wow, my God. Talaga. Divine talaga. Okay? Okay. Ganto. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay? I have here the Empress and the Knights of Pentacles and the Justice card. Okay? Etong tatlong barahan na to, guys, this is saying to me na I am talking with a divine feminine. Okay? Na-miss out mo yung abundance. Bakit? Kasi masyado kang nakafocus dito sa iyong pighati. Kaya ang nangyari, meron tayong Knights of Pentacles. Ayan, na-miss out mo. May absence of abundance na nangyari. Okay? At kailangan mo nang mag-take action, guys. Kasi I have here the Page of Wands. You have to take action. Why, madam? Bakit po, madam? Siyempre, para makamove on ka na. Alangan naman, basain mo ng basain yung unan mo gabi-gabi. Diba? Alam nyo guys, nagdaan na ako sa ganyan. Kaya alam ko yung pakiramdam. Okay? Kailangan mo mag-take action kasi kung sino man tong nanakit sa'yo, nagpaiyak sa'yo, nanloko sa'yo, nagtraidor sa'yo, right now, they are having their karma. Okay? We have here the justice card. You see? Kung sino man to na umapi sa'yo, nagparamdam sa'yo na hanggang dyan ka na lang na wala kang kwentang tao. They are already having now their karma. Okay guys? Kasi hindi pang habang buhay, ganyan ka palagi. Magbabago at magbabago yan. Lalo na pag natutunan mo sa sarili mo kung paano mahalin yung sarili mo. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay? Kasi, eto pa ha, I have here the Empress. Darating uli yung abundance na para sa'yo talaga na na-miss out mo. Kumbaga, ibabalik ni universe yung which is para sa'yo talaga. Eto ka na in the future. Because I am talking with a divine feminine which is guided ng ating universe. You are a divine feminine, divinely guided by the universe and the archangels and the spirit guides. Okay, kaya wag kang mawalan ng pag-asa, Cancer, Scorpion, Pisces. Mararating mo din, matatapos mo din yung transition mo. At pag natapos mo yan, you will be like this. Kumbaga, highly spiritual awakened ka na. You see? You are now more wiser, more smarter, more sensitive about the frequency around you, about the vibration around you, about the people around you. Alam mo na sa sarili mo kung sino ang tunay at peke sa paligid mo. Okay? So, accept this. Embrace this. But then you must to keep moving forward. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng ma-stagnant dyan. You must keep moving forward. Okay? You deserve to be happy. You deserve to have everything. You deserve everything because you are divine. Okay? Do you understand me, water sign? Cancer, Scorpion, Pisces. Okay? Kasi, isa pang nakikita ko dito kay The Empress. Okay? Kita mo yan, dalawa yung The Empress. Oh. Divine ka talaga. Okay? Isa pang nakikita ko dito kay The Empress, guys. Si The Empress, marami ka pang ilalabas na ability. Manganganak pa ang karunungan mo, ang abilidad mo, lalo ka pang gagaling sa kung ano man yung matututunan mo sa sarili mo at matututunan mo na mga kagalingan mo. Okay? Marami pa. Marami ka ding matutulungan, maraming tao ang re-respeto sa'yo in the future. Okay? Yeah. So, be brave, be strong. You have the justice beside you. You have now the justice. The table has been turned. Okay, in your favor. Okay. So, be strong. This is your time to shine. Okay. Yeah. Yun lang guys. And if you want a personal reading nabanggit ko na po kanina. At mag-ingat po tayong lahat guys. God bless po and good luck. Bye-bye.